This is one of the most useful and practical mods on my car that I use almost every single day. Check this out. It is 95 degrees Fahrenheit outside today here in beautiful Florida, but if you park your car outside, the temperature inside could reach over 130 degrees. This happens because the heat generated from the sun gets trapped inside and starts accumulating over time. Such high temperatures can easily melt or crack your dashboard and door panels, or destroy other items inside the car. I used to simply crack open the windows a little bit to let the car breathe and vent out some of the heat. But it also rains a lot in our beautiful sunny Florida. Leaving the windows open becomes a huge issue. I've had my car flooded quite a few times. That's when using these wind deflectors comes in very handy. You can crack open all 4 windows to allow excessive heat to escape your car without a danger of flooding your car, breaking window switches, soaking the carpet, getting nasty smells, etc. These wind deflectors look pretty good, and now my car is no longer overheating nearly as much in the summer. They are very affordable, and I even got a second set for my wife's car. If you're interested, you can find them at the link provided in the description area below. Installation process is quite easy and won't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. Order the visors compatible with your particular car. Clean the installation surface using included alcohol wipes. Peel back a small portion of the red backing tape on each of the adhesive strips. Wedge the front mounting clip between the side view mirror and the weather strip molding. Insert the mounting clips between the window frame and the weather strip moldings. Make sure the visor is aligned properly with the edge of the window frame. Peel off the rest of the backing tape and firmly apply pressure to the adhesive strips. Alright, as you can see, these visors look pretty nice and they blend right in with these chrome accents. And they work great as well. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.